What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with My Investment Journey, and I am back again. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the 8 dividend payments that I got in the month of July. As a matter of fact, these 8 dividend payments that I got in the month of July 2022 totaled $607.70. Okay, that's what we're talking about in this video, the 8 dividend payments that I got in the month of July. Now, if you're new to this channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so right now in this video, once again, we're going to be talking about the 8 dividend payments that I got. I will show you every single dividend payment. I will also show you where I stand with that particular company. So right now, what I have on the screen is I have my current portfolio, and this is live at the making of this video. This video is being shot on August the 2nd. You can see that here at the bottom of the computer. And so currently, my portfolio is valued at $252,366.15, okay? As of the making of this video, as you can see, below that, it says that I'm up $484, $498 right now. Of course, it's going to be fluctuating because the market is currently open, okay? So that's where my portfolio sits. Just to give you guys a bird's eye view of what's happened in the last week, I'll click on 1W here just to kind of show you guys. In the last week, my portfolio has gone up $28,000. In the last month, it has gone up $56,000. In the last 3 months, it has gone up $10,000. In the last year, it's up $1,000, and all time I am still down. All time I'm down currently negative $6,281. I really have kind of started to investing since May of 2020, and since May of 2020 I've invested $254,105.30. So the minus $4,399 you see underneath the 254, that is from when I started trading back in 2016, 2017. So when I click on all, it's going to account for my all time experience in regards to Robinhood. In regards to my buying power here, I do have margin invested enabled on Robinhood. So it says that I have $143,000 of available buying power, but $143,000, but I do not. That's margin investing. Okay, so that's not currently my buying power per se, because I do have margin investing enabled. So overall, I am still down from when I started to reinvest in the stock market in May of 2020. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the 8 dividend payments that I got, and then I'll show you every single company that I got a dividend payment and kind of where I stand. So right here, you can see on July 1st, I got a dividend payment from Huntington Bank for $16.34. At that particular time, I had 105 shares. You can see that at the bottom of the screen, and they were paying for each share 15 cents. So because I had 105 shares times 15 cents, the dividend payment was $16.34. Now, of course, I have DRIP enabled on Robinhood. That is Dividend Reinvestment Plan. So Robinhood automatically goes and grabs shares for me because I have it automatically enabled. The next dividend payment that I got was on July the 12th from Agnc Investment, ticker symbol AGNC. This is a monthly paying dividend, and this is a Reit. So you can see here at the time that I got the dividend payment, I had 209 shares, and Agnc Investment is paying 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment for $25.09. The next dividend payment that I got is going to be with Stag Industrial on July the 15th. Stag Industrial does pay dividends monthly. I do love these monthly paying dividend companies. At the time, I had 251 shares, and Stag was paying out 12 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment for $30.56. The next one up is Starwood Property Trust, ticker symbol STWD. Starwood Property Trust pays dividends quarterly. At this particular time, I had 304 shares, and they were paying 48 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $146.34. The next one up is Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. They pay dividends monthly. It was July the 20th. At the time, I had 1,574 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $94.46. The next one up is Gladstone Capital, which also pays dividends monthly. I had at the time 1,089 shares, and they're paying 6 cents per share, which allowed me to get a dividend payment of $73.56. I actually got 4 dividend payments on the same day here in the month of July. Is it 4? It's 3. So I got Gladstone Capital, which I just talked about, and the next one is Almo Residential Reit on July 29th, and the next one is Mfa Financial on July 29th. So Almo Residential Reit pays monthly dividends, and at the time I had 999 shares, and they're paying 10 cents per share, and my dividend payment was $99.91. This is a monthly paying dividend. The next one up is Mfa Financial. They pay dividends quarterly. At the time I had 276 shares, and they're paying 44 cents per share. So my total dividend payment was $121.44. So that's all the dividend payments that I got in the month of July. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what my average cost is per share for every company that I was just paid dividends in the month of July. So that's going to be 8 companies. Okay. So the first one up, as you guys can see right now, by the way, since the video started, I was up $480 something dollars. And of course I was down. You guys just saw that. Now I'm up $159. So of course you can see that the stock market fluctuates tremendously every single day. Like I said, since I started the video, it's gone up and down. All right. So the first one up is Huntington Bank, ticker symbol HBAN. My average cost per share is $12.41, and they're trading right now for $13.21. So my total return so far is that I'm up 6.49%, which is $85. Couldn't be more happy with that. Anytime I'm up, it's always a good deal. Okay, so I'm excited about that. That's Huntington Bank. Once again, I did get the dividend payment for this month in July, and that dividend payment, which I already talked about earlier, was on July the 1st. And as you can see here, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares for me automatically, and they were able to grab shares for $11.87, which is pretty cool since it's right now trading for $13.21. So that's a W as far as I'm concerned in regards to the dividend reinvesting, the fact that I was able to get a share for $11.87, and right now it's trading for $13.21. All right, the next one up is Agnc Investment, ticker symbol AGNC. Currently, my average cost per share is $14.82. Agnc Investment is trading for $12.39. My total return is I'm down 16%, which is negative $513. This is a good opportunity and a good time to grab some more shares. I feel pretty confidently about Agnc Investment, and I would feel okay about grabbing more shares. I'm sure that I will be grabbing more shares in the future, so once I make that video, I will upload it and share that with you guys, just to kind of be transparent and let you see the purchasing process as far as stocks are concerned on Robinhood. Okay, so that's Agnc Investment. The next one up is Stag Industrial. I'm currently down. My average cost per share is $40.26. Stag Industrial does pay dividends monthly. I'm currently down 18%, which is negative $1,896.35. This is once again a great opportunity to grab some more shares. But like I said, I will be doing this little by little over time. I did purchase this particular position with Stag Industrial using margin investing. I think I ended up spending $10,000. Let's double check here, see if I can show you guys my history and see if I can find it for you guys where I purchased. Yep, 10,000 shares, $10,000. I'm sorry, back on February the 10th, I went ahead and spent $10,000, and this is using my margin investing. Okay, the next one up is Starwood Property Trust. My average cost per share is $19.37. My total return is I am up 19%, which is $1,185.94. Starwood Property Trust pays dividends quarterly. Okay, so that's once every 3 months. Ticker symbol is STWD. I love when I'm up with a particular company. All right, the next one up is Prospect Capital. My average cost per share is $7.26. My total return is I'm up 5.85%, which is $673. Prospect Capital does pay dividends monthly. Ticker symbol PSEC. Okay. The next one up is Gladstone Capital. This also pays dividends monthly. My average cost per share is $10.83. My overall return is that I'm down negative 2.52%, which is negative $298. Gladstone Capital, their ticker symbol is GLAD, and they do pay dividends monthly. Okay, I love that. Let me see when Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some more shares here. So cool. So you see that I got a dividend payment here on the 29th for $73.56. And then also on the 29th, Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 6.5 shares at $11.17, which is more than what it's trading for right now. It's trading for $10.56. So not quite a W there, but because I have the dividend reinvestment plan turned on Robinhood, it automatically grabs the shares for me, and I don't have to worry about timing it and freaking out about, trying to be perfect and go in there and grab the shares at a lower cost, even though that is always a good thing. All right, the next one up is Almo Residential Reit. This is the one that I have the most love and hate relationship with. Currently, my average cost per share is $11.42, and I am down 32%, which is huge. 32% in this particular scenario is negative $3,796.21. Once again, my average cost per share is $11.42. Let's see what Robinhood went ahead and grabbed some shares. So you have the dividend payment here on the 29th of July for $99.91. And Robinhood went ahead and grabbed 12.69 shares at $7.87 at the time. Right now it's trading below $7.87. It's $7.67. All right, and then the last one up is Mfa Financial. They pay dividends quarterly. My average cost per share is $15.37. My total return is I am down 17%, which is $772.70. This is a great time for me to grab some more shares. And once again, I will be grabbing more shares on a more consistent basis in the coming months. I plan on investing at least $1,000 a month, and so I'll probably just kind of go down and assess which company is kind of where my money is going to be better spent, and cross my fingers and invest my money. Okay, so that's going to be pretty much it for this video. As you can see, my portfolio right now is at $251,000, and I'm negative $414 right now. Once again, the stock market is live, negative $478. It just changed. Anyway, this is going to be for this video. Please be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. If you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. All right, thank you again for watching this video. And once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.